Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back. I am glad you're here. Today I'm going to do 2 Project Life spreads. I did most of the work digitally in Photoshop Elements, so I really just have to put the photos down and put the digital pieces down. So this is week 16 or 17, I can't remember which one came first, but this one I am using the Together Story Kit, and I'm really playing off of the red, orange, pink colors and the speech bubbles that were in there. That adorable photo of my son brushing his sister's hair, that is going to have a big circle that says this story. I also have a caterpillar story, and I used a love this circle. I don't think it's from the Together kit, but I decided to go ahead and use it anyways because I wanted a pop of red there. I also took some of the speech bubbles and used them to write in as well, like the photo of my son at cross country. I wrote in that one, and then there's another one of my son doing soccer tricks, and so I put a speech bubble on there as well. And I switched around a few photos. You just saw me do that. And sometimes that happens. When I see it digitally, it looks great. And then I go to print and I have to just double check everything and make sure I like everything the way that it is. I think the problem with these photos is I had several of my son and they were just all really close together. So I wanted to kind of rotate things around. As you can see right here, oh, that picture of my cat is so cute. That's why I had to show you guys. But right here, I am making a 6x8 insert, and I have another card that I made with the best of times that I pop dotted, and then I used another label to do the week, and that will be the 6x8 insert for a couple extra photos that I could not include in the weekly spread. All right, moving on to the next spread, and I'm using the Friendship Story Kit. I have one photo right here, I'm going to lift it up, that I did not print through Persnickety, and you can definitely tell the difference. But this kit is Friendship, and I have not used it that much, so it is a story kit crush for me. I didn't use it necessarily in terms of friendship, but I loved it as a spring type of kit, so that is what I'm using it for. I'm decorating this little card right here of my son writing on a chalk elephant. He is so funny sometimes. So I added in I love this and a little flower. For the photo of my daughter and her friend, I put I love this friendship and then a circle that I had cut out on my Cameo. I thought about adding in a puffy sticker because I had some coordinating puffy stickers, but in the end, I just decided I didn't want to figure it out. This photo is my daughter calling me from her bedroom because she needed something, and so I just took a photo of that, and then I put in love you and then a little cluster kind of right above her head. And I just think it's so cute. And I had to talk about how bedtime is quite a process, but you know, it eases her worries, and that's what's most important. My son was helping his sister with some origami, and he wasn't exactly thrilled, but I got a picture and added a little cluster at the bottom. There was a bookcase in this photo of my daughter, so I just used that negative space to put in another cluster. This photo, I used a ton of digital stamps from the Friendship Kit to make this kind of flower tulip looking card, and I absolutely love it. Added in a flip pocket so that way I could add some extra photos in that bottom left corner. Switched the main journaling card around, and I'm done. It's that quick to get these pages together, and I'm so excited to have 2 more weekly spreads done. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these come together. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. All right, have a great day. Bye.